Whenever summer comes around, I always kind of struggle trying to figure out what to wear. And it's not that I don't like clothes, it's quite the opposite actually. But the things that I like wearing is more like heavy denim, boots, layers, earth tones. And all those things are commonly associated with the cooler months of the year. So when summer comes around, I usually ask myself, what should I wear? So I don't think that summer style in itself is all that hard. It's more the fact that we spend too little time thinking about it. And for example, here in Finland and the rest of the Nordics, summers are just too short, and we spend most of the year thinking about boots, pants, jackets, sweaters, layers basically. And while we do know, of course, that summer comes around sooner or later, once a year, kind of always catches us by surprise, and we're stuck wondering, what should I wear? And I think the thing is that we spend perhaps 9 months building a winter wardrobe and a few weeks thinking about summer. I spent quite a lot of time in Southeast Asia, traveled through India a couple times as well. And the thing that kind of stuck out to me back then, I was always amazed by the locals and the fact that they were wearing long sleeves and pants. Because of course I was wearing shorts and t-shirts or even tank tops, as with any other tourist around that area. But I've grown older and wiser, even though I'm wearing shorts today. But of course I've learned that having a pair of pants in a lighter fabric and a wider cut can be pretty comfortable in warmer weather as well. So growing up in Norway, and especially for me growing up above the Arctic Circle, it gets pretty dark, especially in the winters. So whenever summer comes around, we just throw ourselves out and spend as much time out in the sun as possible. It's really different in warmer countries, because there they will seek shade and they will hide from the sun during the warmest hours of the day. And I'm sure everyone knows about siesta, which at least used to be really popular in Spanish culture. Maybe dressing for summer isn't really about dressing for summer, it's more about how we approach it. I kind of think that whenever summer comes around, there's a bit of pressure to dress differently. And, lighter colors, lots of linen and so on. But I don't know. I think, or I've come to realize that it's more about finding yourself. Maybe like, let's say, a lighter version of yourself. I mean, if you like boots and denim, as I do, just wear the denim and the boots whenever it's possible, right? I do, however, think there's another reason why a lot of guys don't feel that comfortable in their summer wardrobe. And most of the year we're covered up, wearing jackets and pants, sweaters and so on. So whenever summer comes around and we're wearing shorts, t-shirts, it's not about the shorts or the t-shirts, but all of a sudden we're showing a lot more skin than we are used to. And I think most people know about the pressure of having a perfect summer body. It's more about confidence, I think. And It's more about the fact that if you're not used to being in shorts and t-shirts and showing off so much skin, it's gonna feel a bit unnatural, and it's really about getting used to it. The one thing that I personally kind of struggle with summer style is that it just kind of, it's so easy that it becomes boring. And in winter, all the layers and jackets, they do a lot of heavy lifting. And if you have a few different cool jackets and then you layer underneath and you can show off the different layers, it adds so much. But yeah, I don't think summer needs to be boring necessarily, but it takes a little bit more work perhaps. But I think adding some accessories can get you a long way, kind of. And personally, it's something I need to work on myself. But for example, when it comes to wallets and phones, I always just keep it in my pockets. But you could easily add like a shoulder bag or one of these. Put your phone and wallet in there. You can store your sunglasses. It's another accessory. Even if it's not super sunny out, you can wear some sunglasses. You could even put on a bandana. So I mean, there's things you can do. Necklace, rings, so on. Summer style really doesn't have to be complicated. And anyways, the goal, of course, isn't to recreate your favorite fall outfits. I think just finding a few good summer pieces that kind of feels like you and just wear them hard, and perhaps slowly year after year you can add 1 or 2 pieces every year or two, and before you know it you're gonna have like a good summer wardrobe that you feel comfortable in as well. But yeah, I think just having fun with it, trying a few new things without going too crazy, and most importantly, just to enjoy summer while it's still here. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next one. Peace out.